Show you some solved examples. Question number 1. Find the value of 6 raised to 5 and 7 raised to 8. Any number we can write as an example with the help of calculator. 6 raised to 5 means 6 5 times multiply. 7 raised to 8 means 7 8 times multiply. So by the now you can use calculator. So I am showing you how to do the calculator. Press the on button and 6 the base you have to type first, and here in the first row here the fourth button raised a square button you can see. Press that button and which is the power 5. Type that number, put equal, you are getting 7776. So any number we can type like this and you will get the answer. Next is 7 raised to 8. 7 raised to 8, the base is 7, type 7 and the bar power the square button and type the power 8 equals 5764801 is the answer. So this way you can find out any number. Question number 2, you have to find the prime factors. Write as a product of prime factors, prime number. Last video I showed you what are the prime numbers. Question A, 75 you have to write as a product of prime numbers. So for that we have to use this method, is better. 75 is a factor of 5. The last number is 5. 5 or 0 is divisible by 5. So you can start with the 5 divide by 5. 75 divided by 5. 15. Division by 5 you can use calculator find out. Again 15 is a factor of 5. 15 divided by 5 answer is 3. 3 is a prime number, by 3 only we can possible. The last number division by 3 is answer is 1. So the answer prime factors write as a product of prime factors. So these factors you have to write. This is the answer. Question B, 200. Same method you can follow. By 2, last number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. The last number, the last digit contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 divisible by 2. We learn in lower classes. So I took 2 is a prime number. Only prime number you have to take, no other numbers. So 200 divided by 2, it means half of 200, it is 100. Again by 2, half of 100 is 50. Again by 2, 25. 25 is not divisible by 2. Last number is 5, so it is by 5. Answer is 5. Again by 5. Last is 1. So what is the answer? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 is a product of prime factors of 200. So any number you can do. So this number again we can write 2 raised to 3 into 5 square. This both the way answer is correct. 2 3 times, 5 2 times. This also we can write 5 raised to 2 into 3. Question C, 112. The same method. Last number is 2, so divisible by 2. 112 divided by 2, it is 56. Half of 112 is 56. Last number 6 divisible by 2. Half of 56 is 28. Again by 2, 14. Again by 2, 7. 7 is a prime number, so only by 7 you can use. So answer is 2 how many times? 4 times multiplied by 7. This is the way we can write the number as a product of prime factors. Question number 3, you have to find out the highest common factor. That explanation I gave you, what is highest common factor. Find the highest common factor. HCF. HCF. Question A, 45 and 105. So both the numbers separately, the way you are done prime factor, the same way you have to do. 45, the last number is 5, so by 5 it is 9, by 3 3, by 3 1. So for 45 you are getting 5 into 3 into 3. The next number you have to do 105. Also separately do the factors. By 5 I did 21. 21 by 3. 21 is a factor of 3. 7. 7 is a prime number. 1 is getting as a reminder. So 105 also you write 5 into 3 into 7. Here you have to find out the common factors. Which are the common factors? 5 common, 3 also common. 3 and 7 is different. So HCF, if you want to find out, answer HCF is equal to 5 multiply 3. Answer is 15. Three numbers I am giving you: 25, 30, 35. The same method you can follow. 25 you do by the factors 5 by 5, 1. 30 again by 5, also 2 also is a factor, 3 also a factor. Any number you can, 2 or 3 or 5 you can take. Now I took by 5. 6 by 2 it is 3, by 3 1. 35 by 5, 7 by 7 1. So answer is 25. You can write 5 into 5. 30 you can write 5 into 2 into 3, and 35 you can write 5 into 7. So here the common factor is coming only 5. Once we can take 5 everywhere. So HCF is equal to 5. Here all these numbers only one time we cannot. So this is the way you can do the highest common factor any number. So practice more. I'll give you a worksheet. You can do more practice at home. Next one, it is find the highest common factor. Find the lowest common factor. Highest we finished. Now lowest common multiple. Common multiple. LCM. LCM also you are done in lower classes, so I'm not giving much exercise. First number I'm giving you 36 and 81. 36, 81. So LCM the same way, but together we have to do. 36 and 81 LCM we do the same process but together. Factors of 36 and 81, common prime number you have to select. 36 and 81, in which prime number it contains. Factor you have to find out. 36 it's by 2, but 81 is not by 2. So 2 you cannot. If you are taking by 3, yes, both the number factors of 3. So we can select 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 81 divided by 3 is 27. Again both the number is factor of 3, 4 and 9. 9 and 4 not common in any number, so we have to take separately. 4 is divisible by 2, but 9 no, so 9 will come down. We cannot. Again by 2 we can, but 9 we cannot. Again 9 we can do by 3. This is 1 and this is 3. Again by 3, 1. So these factors you have to multiply and find out. You will get LCM. LCM is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So with the help of calculator we can find the multiplication. 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 4 times and 2 times. Answer is 324. So any number we can do this way. So I'm not writing much question. I'll give you one question as a practice only. do it alone and see how you can find out the answer. If you have any doubts, you have to ask me. Okay.